The 2025 Toyota 4Runner XP is a rugged and refined SUV designed for adventure enthusiasts, combining off-road capability with modern technology and comfort. Under the hood, it features a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 278 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more power, the iForce Max hybrid variant offers 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-feet of torque, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. The 4Runner XP's exterior boasts a bold design with a high-clearance front bumper, aggressive stance, and available 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, emphasizing its off-road readiness. Signature features like the power rear window and LED headlights enhance both functionality and style. Inside, the cabin offers available third-row seating to accommodate up to 7 passengers, with heated and ventilated front seats ensuring comfort in various climates. The limited grade adds leather-trimmed seating and unique interior accents for a touch of luxury. Technology-wise, the 4Runner XP is equipped with Toyota's latest audio multimedia system, featuring an 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay, a registered Android Auto Sense compatibility. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides customizable driving information, while the available head-up display projects key data onto the windshield for easy viewing. Safety is paramount, with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 standard across all trims, offering features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. Additional safety options include blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert and a panoramic view monitor for enhanced visibility. The 4Runner XP also includes practical features like a smart key system with push-button start, available digital key compatibility for smartphone access, and an optional onboard air compressor for off-road adventures. With its combination of performance, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner XP is well equipped to handle both daily commutes and rugged terrains.